Hello dear students, I am Hana Tiwari from DPS Aldani Lamachur. Welcome you all in today's video. Today I am going to start your 9th chapter, that means some application of trigonometry. This one, and in this chapter, before starting the exercise, let me explain you some basic concepts. And what are the basic concepts? Listen here. This trigonometry application means the uses of trigonometry. Okay, हम trigonometry को कहाँ use कर सकते हैं? That means we have to study in this. Where they are used in previous time, the astronomers used to use trigonometry for finding the distance of stars, moon, sun, how much the far they are from the earth. Okay, इसका मतलब हमें क्या निकालना है? Distance निकालनी है. So how to find the distance? Distance कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? Now look at here. If one tower is there. Let me see, this is a tower, या कोई building है, this is a building or tower. Okay, so this is a tower. So if we have to find, we are here और हम यहाँ पर हैं, ठीक है? So we say we are observer. Okay, so we are observer. तो हम क्या observer? हम देखने वाले हैं, ठीक है? तो we are standing here. And when we are standing here, we are looking towards, and this is called this. Whenever we are denoting the ground, okay, look at here, we denote it by a straight line. Okay, so this is the ground. अगर आपसे कहेंगे draw ground in trigonometry, तो आप ground में straight line, horizontal line will draw. This is the horizontal line, and this is the tower. Let me say this tower is A B. Okay, A B is the tower. When we see the tower from here, that means जब हम देखते हैं तो कैसे देखते हैं? जैसे ये लाइट रे है तो we look at here, ये ऐसे करके देखेंगे. तो this is the top of the tower. Okay, you are understanding, this is the top of the tower and we are looking from here. So this is called the line of sight. Sight means जो आंखों से line of sight. Okay, तो always this is line of sight. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया line of sight. तो हम जब आंखों से अपनी देखते हैं from our eyes, अगर चाहे हम नीचे को देख रहे हैं down or we are looking towards upside. So upward direction or downward direction, line of sight can be like this, line of sight can be like down. Okay, तो हमारी आंखों से निकलने वाली रेस, तो that is the line of sight. Okay, so now the important thing is there, the two terms come here, angle of elevation and angle of depression. These two terms are very important for this. So what is angle of elevation? Elevation means होता है ऊपर को चढ़ना and depression means होता है नीचे को आना. Okay, this you clear? Elevation means up. तो from our eyes, when we are looking to the top of tower को देखते हैं, तो what the angle is formed by horizontal. हमेशा ध्यान रखना horizontal and the line of sight के बीच में जो angle बनता है, this is called the angle of elevation. Okay, this is called the angle of elevation. So this should be clear to you. What is angle of elevation? Same way, what we can do, we are standing here. This is a building. Okay, let us say this is a building and there is a balcony. यहाँ पर एक balcony and we are standing here और हम यहाँ पर खड़े हैं. Okay, now a car is moving on the road. या फिर यहाँ पर something is there. Anything we can say there is a car. Okay, so there is a car on the road. यहाँ पर एक car है. So when the observer कहाँ है? Here is the observer. So eyes will be here only. Okay, this is clear. Common sense is there. So this is the observer. So we will write observer is here. Observer is here. So the observer will see the car like this. Okay, so from his eyes the rays are coming like this. So this is called the line of sight. Okay. No different sight means eyesight कहते हैं ना, sight देखना. So this is called the line of sight. अब जो एंगल बनता है वो हमेशा horizontal और line of sight के बीच में बनता है. Okay, this should be clear to you. No else is there. Only remember this, horizontal होना चाहिए और line of sight होनी चाहिए. अब यहाँ पर तो horizontal ये है, line of sight ये है, दोनों के बीच में एंगल है, ऊपर को बन रहा है angle of elevation. अब angle of depression होगा जो नीचे को एंगल बनेगा. So line of sight but horizontal is not there. ये तो vertical है, तो we will draw the horizontal like this. यहाँ से perpendicular draw करोगे. So this will be the horizontal. Obviously this is parallel to this. So the angle between the horizontal and line of sight, ये वाला angle हुआ. So this is called the angle of depression. You can say this is theta and this is known as angle of clear thing this, only two things are there, angle of elevation and angle of depression, and this is called the height of tower, building, and this is h, we know h by height of tower or building, and this is the base and this is the base, this is also horizontal. So first case angle of elevation when we are looking upward, and second case angle of depression when we are looking downward. Okay, so now the second thing, let me tell you, when we used to find a question, when we will be finding the question in our exercise, angle of elevation is fine, but angle of depression के लिए what will do? This is the angle. Now this line and this line are parallel line. So see, this alternate interior angle. So this angle is theta, so this angle will also be theta. Okay. अगर ये angle of depression 30 degree है, तो ये वाला angle भी 30 degree होगा. If this angle of depression is 60 degree, so this angle will also be 60 degree. Okay. It is clear. You understanding this? So this should be cleared very much, very properly too. Second thing, in this trigonometry, most commonly used formula, tan theta. All the questions can be done by only one formula, we use tan theta. And sometimes when the perpendicular and only base is given to us, so there we can use sin theta and cos theta. Otherwise, except these three terms, nothing is useful, no trigonometric ratios we can use. In तीनों से ही whole questions can be done. Okay, so it is clear. So keep in mind, you will not put cot, sec, cosec, nothing should be kept. Sin, cos or tan से ही everything you can do. Okay, so whole exercise is very easy, very easy. These things are clear to you. That is very easy. So now quickly we can start exercise 9.1. So let us start. Let us see. So now the question number 1 is, a circus artist is climbing 20 meter long rope. एक circus artist है जो 20 meter long rope पे climb कर रहा है, जो कि आपकी क्या है, which is tightly just attached to the pole and the ground. ठीक है, एक pole और ground पे tightly stretched है. This is the rope. Okay, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of vertical pole and to the ground. तो vertical pole हो गया, only ground हो गया, तो tightly stretched. This is the rope. Okay, find the height and the what is given 20 meter long rope and the length of rope is given 20 meter. If find the height of the pole, तो हमें height of the pole निकालनी है, तो we'll say let the height of a pole is h. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree, so angle made by the rope and with the ground level is 30 degree. Okay, this much is given to you. Let us consider this is A, B and C. So I have written the statement here. You will write the statement in your questions, but I am writing in first question the statement, but for second question I directly start. But when you are doing your notebook, you all will write statements, because without the statement you will not do your questions. This I am clearly in the first only. So what you will do? Let the height of the rope is h. Okay, this already I have written for you, and the length of rope is given to you. What is given to you? 20 meter. Okay, and the angle of elevation is 30 degree. This is given to you. Now look at here. This perpendicular is given to you and this length of rope is given to you. Perpendicular and hypotenuse is given to you. So perpendicular and hypotenuse, which is the relation? Sine. So we will write sine 30 degree is equals to h upon 20. Okay. So I have already written sine 30 degree is equals to h means AB upon AC. So sine 30 degree, what is the value of sine 30 degree? Is 1 upon 2 is equals to AB h upon 20. Cross multiply, so we will get h is equals to 20 upon 2, that means 10. So height is equals to 10 meters. So the length of the rope is, the height of the pole is 10 meter. Okay, the questions are very easy. Now we will start question number 2. Okay. Now the question number 2 is, a tree breaks due to storm. एक जो tree है, पेड़ है, क्या हुआ, तूफान के कारण ब्रेक हो गया. तो दिस इज द ग्राउंड एंड दिस इज द ट्री. ठीक है, ये ट्री है, तो ये क्या हो गया, ब्रोकन. इट इज ब्रोकन. आई थिंक यू हैव डन दिस इन 8th क्लास आल्सो और 9th क्लास आल्सो. सो लेट द ट्री इज ब्रोकन फ्रॉम हियर. तो ये यहाँ से टूट गया एंड इट बेंड्स, और ये जो इसका टॉप है ये इसने टचेस द ग्राउंड लाइक दिस, तो ये जो टॉप है इसने ऐसे बेंड होके टच कर दिया, तो दिस पार्ट कम्स लाइक दिस. ओके, तो द ट्री इज ब्रोकन ड्यू टू स्टॉर्म. ओके, एंड द ब्रोकन पार्ट जो टूटा हुआ पार्ट है बेंड्स so that the top of the tree touches the ground. ये bend हो जाता है so that the top of the tree touches the ground. Okay, making an angle of 30 degree with it. So ये कितना एंगल बनाते हुए ग्राउंड पर टच होता है, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. The foot of the tree is this one. The distance between this is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So you have to find the height of the tree. So how you find the height? I have let from here to here the distance, the height is h, but this is not the height of the tree. Height of the tree is this much plus this much. Okay, this is the total height of the tree. So what you will find? You will find the perpendicular also. You will find the hypotenuse also. तो perpendicular में hypotenuse को add करोगे, यही hypotenuse है, तो ये full length of the tree हो जाएगी. ठीक है? So let this part is x. ठीक है, तो हमें क्या निकालना है, h plus x क्या हो जाएगा, this is the height of the tree. Okay, so let us start. Let me say a b c. Okay, the height of the tree is equals to ab plus AC. तो height of the tree we will not select. The height of the tree is AB plus AC. ठीक है, तो height of the tree is AB plus AC. Now what can you do? देखो, first we will use tan theta. Tan theta means perpendicular upon base. ठीक है, क्योंकि base दिया हुआ perpendicular यहाँ से निकाल सकते हैं. So we will use tan theta. Tan 30 degree is equals to h upon 8. So from here we can find what is tan 30 degree. 1 upon root 3 is equals to h upon 8, which shows h is equals to 8 upon root 3. Or we can say multiply up and down by root 3. So we will write 8 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. 3. So this is meter. Either this we can say this is h. ठीक है, we got h also. How much? 8 upon root 3, or we can say 8 root 3 upon 3. In दोनों में से anything we can write. So this is the height of the tree. Okay, no sorry, that h is the of the tree. Perpendicular निकालना. Now we have to find the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse कैसे निकालोगे? Either you can use sin theta, this upon this, या फिर cos theta लिख लो, this upon this. किसी से भी we can find the hypotenuse. तो चलो hypotenuse, what is the length? Hypotenuse, now again what you will write, sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equals to perpendicular AB upon AC. So sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2 is equals to AB कितना निकला, 8 upon root 3. Okay, so upon AC, इसको नीचे AC लिखो, तो अक्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. So AC को यहाँ भेजो, 2 को इधर भेज दो, तो this shows AC is equals to 8 into 2 upon root 3, या फिर इसको भी root 3 और root 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. So 8 to just 16 root 3 upon 3. ठीक है, this you got the AC. Okay, तो ये आ गया है AC. Got AC. तो अब now AC you got and AB also you got H. So therefore you directly find the height of the tree is equals to H plus this AC. So which H is height कितनी निकली थी इसकी, 8 root 3 या फिर 8 root 3 upon 3. So write 8 root 3 upon 3 plus this AC we got 16 root 3 upon 3. So this denominator is same, 16 plus 8 कितना हो गया 24. So we'll get 24 root 3 upon 3. So 3 8s are 24, 8 root 3 meters. So this is the height of the tree, 8 root 3 meters. So this is our second question. So now the question number 3 is a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children. Slides means झूले. तो contractor ने plan किया कि 2 झूले लगाने हैं children के लिए in a playground, ठीक है, in a park for children below 5 years she prepares to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree. तो जो छोटे बच्चे थे 5 years के, उन्होंने कहा कि for them the height of a slide should be 1.5 meter and the angle of inclination should be 30 degree. Okay, this is below 5 years children. So this is the slide A, B, C, and this is the slide. Okay, and whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide. Steep slide means बिल्कुल एक steep slide सीधे नीचे आने वाली, ठीक है, at a height of 3 meter. तो इसकी height थोड़ी ज़्यादा रहती है, ठीक है. So because these are for elders, so just 3 meter inclined at an angle of 60 degree. अब 60 degree है तो ऐसे होगा, तो this inclined at an angle of 60 degree. So this is a slide for seniors, okay, elders. So to the ground, what should be the length of each slide in this case? तो दोनों slide की length निकालनी है in each case. Okay, so that means this is below 5 years, this is for the elders. Let me say A, B, C, and इसको क्या देती हूँ D, E, F. So यहाँ पर हमें hypotenuse निकालना है, the length of a slide, और यहाँ भी hypotenuse निकालना है. So first I am writing in for under 5 years children. Okay, so for under 5 years children, what is given to you? First write given angle of elevation. Okay, angle of elevation is given to you 30 degree and height is given to you 1.5 meters. So therefore length of slide how can we find? देखो हमें perpendicular दिया है तो हमें पाई hypotenuse निकालना है, तो perpendicular hypotenuse में sin का रिलेशन होता है, तो हमें put sin 30 degree is equals to 1.5 perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is the length of a slide. So 1 upon 2 is equals to 1.5 upon AC. So what you will do? Cross multiply. AC is equals to 1.5 into 2. That means 3 meter. So this is the length of the slide, 3 meter for children under 5 years. Now what we can do for elders? ठीक है? Elders के लिए देखो. What is it? Again we will put the sign, but it is sin 60 degree. So here we will put sin 60 degree and same this statement we will write for elders also. Okay, sin 60 degree is equals to 3 upon df. df हमें फाइंड करना है. sin 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 is equals to 3 upon df. So from here we can find df is equals to 3 into 2 upon root 3. 2 up and root 3 down. Okay, so now multiply it by root 3 and root 3. So what you will get? 3 into 2 into root 3 upon root 3 into root 3, 3 to 3 cancel. So we got 2 root 3 meter. So this is the length of a slide for elder students. Okay, so these questions are very easy. Hope you are enjoying the trigonometry. So let us start question number 4 of this height and distance. Now the question number 4 is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. So there is a tower. Okay, so let me say this is a tower and this is a ground. This is a tower. Okay, so what is given to you? The angle of elevation of a top of a tower from a point on a ground which is 30 meter away from the foot is 30 degree. So a point here which is this point P is there, which is 30 meter away from the foot of a tower. जो foot of a tower से 30 meter away है. The angle of elevation is given to you 30 degree. Elevation means ऊपर को बनेगा. So this angle of elevation is 30 degree. Okay, this is given to you. Find the height of a tower. So this height you have to find. So we will write let the height of the tower is h. Okay, height of the tower is equals to h. Now look at it. हमें ये दिया है, बेस दिया है, तो क्या हो सकता है tan theta. So especially we will write tan theta is equals to h upon 30. Perpendicular upon base, tan theta, what is the value of tan theta? 1 upon root 3 is equals to h upon 30. Send 30 this side, so h is equals to 30 upon root 3. So multiply root 3 and root 3. Rationalize करते हैं denominator को. So what will get? 30 root 3 upon 3. So this got 10 root 3 meter. So write the unit also. So the height of a tower is 10 root 3 meter. So together with it, let us start question number 5th. And what is the question number 5th is, a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The ground is there, यहाँ पर एक kite है, which is flying 60 meter above the ground. तो कभी भी height measure करते हैं तो वो क्या करते हैं? It is perpendicular to the ground. Okay, I told you before also. Whenever we have measure, the height should be perpendicular to the ground. तो ये height होगी of a kite from the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. तो इससे जो string है उसको हमने ground पर temporarily attached कर दिया है, ठीक है, kite का. So the inclination of a string with the ground is 60 degree. तो inclination of a is 60 degree to the ground string का. Find the length of a string. हमें length निकालनी है of a string. This we have to find. And the second thing, assuming that there is no slack in the string. The string में बीच में गांठ वाठ कुछ मोटा कुछ नहीं है, तो we have to find this. So very easy बेटा. This C perpendicular is given to you, and you have to find the hypotenuse. So what you will write? You will put the height of. So you will write let the length of the string. Okay, let the length of the string is L. Okay, so therefore using what you will use? Sin theta. Sin 60 degree is equals to perpendicular upon L. So what is sin 60 degree? Root 3 upon 2 is equals to 60 upon L. Cross multiply. So L you will bring here, and यहाँ पर 60 रखो. Denominator will come in numerator and root 3 will go down. अब क्या करना है? Down rationalize करो, because in denominator whenever root is there, तो हम क्या करते हैं? root 3 और root 3. So what will you get? 60 into 2 into root 3, and root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 2s are 6 and 0, so this will come 40 root 3 meter. So the length, then you will write in statement form, therefore the length of a string is 40 root 3 meter. So in this video we are doing only 5 questions. Rest questions we will do in next video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and share the video. Thank you very much for this exercise.